Utlolela uMkhwebane kunye nekomiti ukuthi akaziboni inzathu zokuthi ayokuhlangana nabo. uMadonsela uthi lonke ilwazi abalifunako lise-ofisini yomvikeli womphakathi. Kanti batsho endabeni yamaphenyo amalungana nemininingwane, uMkhwebane akaqale okufunyanwe yikhotho. uMadonsela ubuye wakhwela wazehlela phezu kwaMkhwebane. Wamkhumbuza bona wavimba abasebenzi beofisi le nabe bazokuhlangana noMadonsela. Kwasayena batsho uMkhwebane wabhala ukuhlangana naye batsho ukuthi amnikele umbiko opheleleko nakathatha indambo uMkhwebane ngo-2016.
Once the committee indicates what the way forward is, we will then formulate a summons as necessary if that remains the view of the committee. But no steps have been taken in that regard and no contact has been made with Advocate Madonsela following this letter.
That as a committee, we want to reaffirm our decision to have Professor Madonsela come to the committee.
uMkhwebane ungongoyila phambi kwekomiti ukuthi bekube nje amagqwetha akhe akakabhadelwa yi-ofisi yakhe. Ikomiti ilindele umbiko ozeleko malungana nendaba le ngomvulo iveke zako.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema kuzakufanele alinde isikhatshana isibawo sokulitshalelwa isivela kuKhenny Kunene we-Patriotic Alliance ngemva kobana akhe wambiza ngephela elithwenyako. uKunene uzibilayeze ngesiqondo sekhotho ephakemeko yeJohannesburg.
Zidibene bezikade zizondana kaloku usekela mongameli we-Patriotic Alliance uKhenny Kunene uduza ukuxoxola kwinkundla ezingasentla ukubhena kwesindululo sakutshanje nalapho wavakalisa okokubana le nkundla ithe yabhuda xa ibigweba ngelithi ngolwesibini wathetha intetho equlathe intiyo emveni koba wathi uJulius Malema we-EFF likokoroshe kudliwanondlebe lukamabonakude.
The system itself has established appeal courts because it recognizes that a judge may err. And in this instance, I believe that the judge has erred and another court will come at a different decision. So I will be appealing the judgment, respectfully so.
Kusenjalo ke i-EFF ithi samkele sisigwebo sale nkundla kwayilindele kokubana lokakunene athi uxolo kuMalema.
These comments were not only hateful, but were not considerate of the historical impact of derogatory terms used to refer to human beings in inciting violence and genocide. Genocide and hate crimes against fellow human beings begin at the point of dehumanization. When Hitler rationalized the genocide against the Jewish community, he referred to them as rats. When colonizers wanted to enslave and exploit African people, the rationale behind it was that Africans were a people without history, they were barbarians whose conquest was justified in order to invite them into humanity.
Ukuba ngaba isibheno sikakunene sizalele ndle kuza kunyanzeleka ezingaphambili acela uxolo kuMalema ogqiba athathe lamazathu wawathetha wabuyisele emva kwisithuba senyitsuku ezingama-30. Ndingu-Abongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.
Nasibuya eNtolo.
Yindlu ngiyibhalisile bayaphikizana bathi bayakhe eWhite House. eWhite House ithaveni bayakhe eShabalala, mina ngihlala eShabalala.
Isizi lomndeni wabantu abali-10 ohlala emhlahlaneni munye odla inethe ngoba ugazi ulele eziko. Abafundi abafake imbawo zokuthi basizwe isikhwama se-NSFAS basele bakhulelwe izinhloko ngombana imbawo zabo solo azamkelwa kuthiwa zisaqalisiswa baba ukuthi imbawo zabo zisetshenzwe msinyana ngombana ukuzihlolisela ukufunda kudzimelele ekutheni NSFAS ibasekele ngemali. NSFAS isabelo sayo semali sanonyaka si-47.6 billion rands.
Njengombana uthoma nje umnyaka wokufunda ka-2023 ema-university, abafundi abanengi baqalene nomraro wemali zokufunda. Abanengi basalinde i-NSFAS bona itsho ukuthi yabasiza ngemali namkhanjani na.
Right now I'm still waiting for their response because I've been waiting. I applied last year actually. So last week it moved to provisionally funded.
So it affects us a very lot because now we have to wait for other students to be registered. And some other students are temporarily registered and they decline them at the end of the day.
Imbawo ze-NSFAS zivalwe ekupheleni kwakaTjhirhweni. Bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezimakhulu 8 abafundi abangasizakala, abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezimakhulu 6 sebaqinisekisiwe bona bayasekelwa ngemali.
NSFAS received more than 1.6 million applications. This is the highest number received in the history of the scheme.
Let me indicate that our living allowance increment across the board will be 1,650 rands per month, which is a 10% increment as compared to the 2022 figure.
Inhlangano zabafundi zikhombele iNSFAS ukuthi ayiphakamise inyawo abafundi bazokwazi ukufunda.
In January, a student must know that they have meal allowances, because you don't need to register first or to get meal allowances in April, because you need food now, you need meal allowances now, you need transport now. Students, all of them in the country, they are back into their respective universities, but I can tell you that at this point, none of those students, there's a confirmation of all these allowances, including the fee allowances itself.
Gandhi njengoba nabafundi abanengi balindele ukuzwa bona bayalunga na, abayi 160,000 sebazitholile impendulo zokuthi kubhalile umnyaka lo. Ukufikela khathesi iNSFAS ifumene imbawo zokuzibilayeza ezingaphezulu 1300. Imbawo zifakwa ukufikela ngomhla ka-20 inyanga le.
Ihlangano ezijamele kwi-Book Hive eMbombela eMpumalanga ibawa ababelethi ukuthi bakhuthaza abendaba ukuthi bafunde incwadi. I-Book Hive ngokusebenzisana nezefundo lapha kwa-SABC bebathokozela ilanga lokufunda eBoschrand Primary School elokishini Msholozi eduze ne-White River.
Bafundela phezulu ngokuphimisela ukutshengisa ithwayo lokuthi namhlanje ilanga lephasi zombelele lokufundela phezulu i-World Read Aloud Day. Abafundi babuthene enkundleni zokubulunga incwadi bazozijayeza ukufunda. Ihlangano iBook Hive ithi umnqophayo ukuthuthukisa isikopilo lokufunda, ikhuthaza nabafundi ukuthi bahuluphele ukufunda khulukhulu ngamalimi abo.
Kubalulekile kufunda ngoba kuvula ingqondo, kuvumela abantu bakhona ukufunda, bathi amagama lamasha and bathi netindzawo letisha bangakafika ngakito. Ngaloko kufunda kuhluta ingqondo and then kuvumela ukuthi sibe lusha lelihlakatile.
Yende research yasikhomba ukuthi 78% webantwana base South Africa aba grade 4 they can't read for meaning, abakhona ukufunda bavisise lokusuke kubhaliwe, lokubese kubanga ema learning difficulties lokuthi nalesikhathi safunza mhlambe ukuthi ubuto embuto ku-exam ubuto lophathelana nemsebenzi wakhe wesikole angakhoni ukuphendula lo lokungiko ngoba lo mbuto kusuke ekucale nje akakawuva.
Bafundi banikelwe nethuba lokuthi akhe bafunde chachalazi bazwakale ukuthi bafunda njani nabafundi bakuthandile lokhu.
Reading is a very important issue. Reading is very important. You can't do anything without reading in our world. You have to read. If you read, your mind is open and you can think about things that you didn't know. Maybe, for example, the famous William Shakespeare. We know him through reading, and that's why I say that it is important for us to read.
I-World Read Aloud Day lilanga eligidingwa mamazwe ayi-173 ngomnqopho wokwakha ubudlelwano hlangana nabantu ngehlelo lokufundela phezulu.
Umndeni wakwaNkuna weMadrasa eBushbuck Ridge eMpumalanga unamalunga 10 kanti bonke bahlala ngemhlahlaneni owako. Umndeni uthi wayihlolisa iRDP eminyakeni 10 edluleko nanje solo usalindile, akakhona munye osebenza ukilo mndeni.
Mhlahlano wako lo nawunje ulikhaya labantu abali10, akakho namunye osebenza kulabo abali10, bonke njalo baphila ngemali yesibonelelo sabantwana ababili. Ipoto nakufuze yeziko bazingwaye inhloko bangaqedi ngombana abazi ukuthi bathatheni bahlanganise nani.
Kupheka sipheka kabuhlungu, pheka ngaphandle and ekudla sisiza ngilo ihliziyo yakhe iyihle.
Nabangendlini abaneli bonke ayikho indawo yokusithela. Nalinako khona basho kufuze bayokubawa amalalo ngakubomakhelwane lapho khunye balala nenhlobeni.
Hlala kabuhlungu la ekhaya, sihlala si10, labanye uhlala kagogo, labanye bahlala kamamncane, sina labanye sihlala la.
Umtlhatlhana lo nanyana unje kodwana kuphela kwendawo umndeni lo oyithembileko abanakwenza ngokukhunye kodwana kufuze babhesele ubujamobu.
Sometimes imibhiki lonke bangakhombela esikoleni balale bangakhulumi from esimundwena mitriki ngikutheka kakhulu ngoba angidangiyeni lo esikoleni.
Umndeni lo uthi basalinda indlu ye-RDP abazihlolisela yona pheze eminyakeni 10 edlulileko.
Indlu ngiyibhalisile bayaphikizana lwana leyo khuluma kwakhe bathi bayakhe eWhite House. eWhite House ithaveni bayakhe eShabalala. Mina ngihlala eShabalala.
I've been approaching many stakeholders to come and help this family, even the social development. It came, we just put it safe. It's been last year in August, so they did not come back since then.
Nanyana ubujamo obungasibuhle emndenini lo, ithemba lona lisesekhona. Olerato engasilibizo lakhe lamambala, ufunda umatric begodu unebhudango lokuba ligqwetha. Mhlamunye nguye nje ongakhupha umndeni lo emhlagweni.
Zizokele indaba sithokozile Thuli lochane ekhaya entambama sibona lapha amathuba amahle wezulu na uqala lapha ke ehlagwini eMpumalanga yenarha kuthinde kakhulu isifunda sangale ngeGauteng kuthindeke lapha ke iMpumalanga nengcenye yendawo nasya yangale ke ngakwaZulu Natal ukuthi kilezi ndawo ke ulithole nge30% bese ke lapha kunyeke kunamafu kusasa silibona libuyela kakhulu izulu phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa ngawo amathuba we60% na uthi uyaqala ke kilezi ndawo zabo Cape Town khona ke livale ngamafu sithole lapha nesilemukiso semjijo eduma kumbi kilezi ndawo abantu batsheje ke bayelele kulezo ndawo khulukhulu ke esifundeni sakwaZulu Natal lapha ke esifundeni sange Northern Cape sibona lapha kunekhonakalo yomlilo wamahlathi abantu ke batsheje bayelele akhe siyokucalela amazinga okuchisa sithome lapha ngesifunda sangapha ngeGauteng lifuthumele kizo zonke indawo zangapha ngeGauteng limnandi hle abantu bazaba nesikhathi esimnandi bese kuthi lapha ke eLimpopo siyabona ke ukuthi noma lindelekileko izulu kuyachisa lapha eMusina kuyachisa ePhalabhuru ukuthi ke maphakathi nesifunda ulithole lapha lifuthumele kubuphulukwane sokucala lapha ke eMpumalanga ukuthi ngakhani khona kunjani siyalibona ke kukhamba kuveza ihloko lifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuseEmelo la liphole khona ke nge22 lapha ke sikhukhuza kuyachisa nge34 kwaZulu Natal noma lilindelekile izulu libonakala ke lifuthumele endaweni eziningi boRichards Bay nge28 kuthi lapha ke eKokstad libuye nganeno ke nge24 nawuthi uqala ke sifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa lindelekile izulu kezinye indawo noma kunjalo ke kuthi ke ukufuthumala lapha eMalitswa ifuna ukuchisa nalapha eGraafreinet nge31 kuthi ke ezinye indawo lifuthumele kamnandi ngale ngeJingalanga Kapa khona ke livala lisibekele endaweni eziningi iCape Town ifuthumele nge25 kuthi lapha ke eGwini liphole kamnandi lapha kuMossel Bay nge23 sokucala lapha eNorthern Cape sibonile ukuthi iyachisa ke kunekhonakalo yomlilo yamahlathi eUppington nge37 kuthi ke ezinye indawo lapha eSutherland lifuthumale khona nge29 sokucalela isifunda sangaleke ngeFreystata lindelekile izulu noma kunjalo kuyachisa ke kuBovelkom nalapha ke eBloemfontein lithi ukufuthumala ngabo 29 nakezinye indawo eziningi kokugcina ke sokuqalela lapha ke iNorthwest lindelekile izulu endaweni eziningi nanoma kunjalo ke isifunda naso sifuthumele njengendawo eziningi zangapha ngeSouth Africa kube indamba mayimnandi Tido.